Hello my YouTube friends. Um, I am opening a orchid I order, and today is the worst weather possible in my area. It was 50-mile wind storm was there, and just right now I see that the plant delivered. So I checked, and my daughter found it 2 houses away. Wind took it. So luckily she found it and she bring it for me. I sent her to get it, and it's very cold, so I have to open it right away. Otherwise I wouldn't do the video this late, but I have to open and see. So let's open, and that's why I'm opening it now and share with you what I got. It's a small but special plant. I got one earlier on my orchid growing, just one fan, and then it's become two fan, and it bloomed twice and then died. But look at this one. Look at this, so healthy, and I got it from auction. Neofinetia, Benda, falcata, white, pink, cross self. So, yeah, it's midnight now, and I wouldn't bother to do the video now, but it's very cold, so it's need to get warm air through it. So I opened it. So I thought, okay, let me, and it's bloomed many times. You can see this is the bloom spike, dry spike. This is another one. I hope this will bloom soon again for me. Um, so after a long time I got a video. After a long time I got another orchid. These days I don't really get any more orchid because this is kind of not conditioned for the orchid in my house, and it's very hard to keep them healthy and make it bloom. They just leave but not bloom very much, so there is no point if they don't bloom. So, but this one I just cannot keep myself away from it. So I say, okay, let me give it a try, because last one was doing okay for me, and this one is so healthy, and so many fan together grew from it. I hope it's not different plant. Maybe it's just grew fan from one. See something there. I think there is another fan started. Showing, but not really not. Yeah, it's kind of dry. Anyway, so this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.